Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the second video on Higgsfield with a new feature. You won't believe what I have been missing around with lately. Higgsfield Recast, it's this insane AI tool that can literally swap your full body in a video. I am not kidding. Every move, every and gesture, even micro expression are tracked perfectly. It feel filmed, not fake. Look at this. This is also original video, and now it is converted into face swap. Yes, complete full body recast. And notice the little thing, my posture, my head, even tiniest gesture. There is also what the magic state of the art physics we are going to share here. Basically on the Higgs field, this is also new feature recast where you can easily check how we are also going to join. Let's get started with this project, and you can also check there is also character, voice, language, and background. This is also awesome, and people already having the experience. They are also going to share the best experience there. Getting started with super simple, you picked your video here, and then you can also select the image, the face you want to replace, and then this is also going to be very simple for you. Recast, edit, AI handle the rest. No studio, no complicated camera setup, nothing, and you just result honestly that is mind blowing. So let's get started with that. You need to create account for the first time if you have come on it. For that you can also use Google, Apple, or Microsoft ID, or you can also through with Google you can also sign up to. After creating the account successfully, you can also go for the upgradation option. There you can also account upgrade. For that you can also choose your according suitable plan as for monthly, as for also for per year, and there you can also get the credit per month, and according to that you can also access to all video model. So now as we have already created our account, and you can also use my account line, there is also account. So now if you want to explore, you can also come to face and video. There is also new feature, that is recast studio. We can also confirm, and now we can also go far ahead, and this is also how the complete our face is going to change. So this is also with impression. Yes, there is also something that is you have to know, because full body character swap is also available with sort of physics that track posture, hand, and micro gesture for shots that real filmed, not fake. So let's get started. Here we need to select character, like this is also Nova. I am going to select. There should be voice, so I select here Andrew voice, and this is also source video. We have to upload there. I have uploaded a video here, and I can also choose here voice tab if you want. Otherwise it will be disabled, no worry. You can also select the background too, or you can also select here other have been given, and after that you can also select. I am also going to choosing here character. So now we can proceed to generate option, and then you will see it is being processed. And yes, there is in queue. Within 5 minutes we will also get our result. So now friends, you can easily check. There is also Boba animation creation video. Yes, this is also perfect. That how actually this is working, you can also see. Here is also the same. So now in this way you can also check how actually you are going to generate the video, and this is also the result you can see here. So I hope you understand everything. You can also select here the face, you can upload the video, and then it will also give you here keep original. You can also place that, and next you can also proceed to the next, that there are also image generation. There is also the other fields to mean. You can also get here a complete information, not only just a face swap. You can also now get in the video section as a recast studio. So if I will also show you another example to you. So there you can also upload the source file what you want to convert. You can also select, or you can also paste here the photo too. So I am also going to give it new with our own face. So check this feature. Now you can also upload first the source file, as I have already downloaded. So I am going to select there, And next you can also get our video has arrived there. Next you can also upload the picture that face you want to here, that body. So we need to click on it. Other you can also choose, there is also some templates too, you can also use them if you want to customize. So next you can also check, there are a lot of faces, so we can also select one of them. So basically there you can also see this is the face I want to select, and then we have to open it. Now it will also upload, and then we can also proceed to the next. There you can also check our character has been added, so we can select and we have to click on the continue option, and now you can see here our character has been done. What you need to do here, we need to select the like background, and then we can also click on the generate option, and then you can also see there is in queue, mean within 3 to 5 minutes it will take, and our video will be generated successfully through Higgsfield. Result is there, you can see. Yes, this is same, mean complete expression, a very little. This is also movement is going to be captured. You see here, there if I show you, there is also the original video too. So let's get started into the app, and now I will also show you, this is also how our product is being downloaded. If I'll show you real video, then you can also check this is how it looks, and this is also about how actually this is going to be done. So basically you can also see this is also the official, and there you can also check what we have created previous time. This was the original video, you can see here same expression everything. And now you can also check, this is the video that we have generated through Higgsfield Recast, a new feature that has been enabled. So yes, you can also give the prompt to generate voice, and duration resolution you can also generate too. So I hope you understand, you can download it, you can publish. I hope you understand everything about. If you have any question or curious till now, you can also join, and you can also explore more features that are also given here, and we will also show you more details about too. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.